Oh, sorry. This is a simple question R and we have taken current. So can we take three mesh, three variable and three equation? Yes or no? So that would be first mesh equation is minus 4i1 minus i2, then minus 4i1 minus i3 plus 4.8 is equal to 0, right? Second mesh equation is minus 4i2. We don't know the value of r, so we'll consider r only. ri2 minus 4 i2 minus i3, then minus 4 i2 minus i1 is equal to 0. Second equation, right? Third equation would be minus 4 i3 minus i1 minus 4 i3 minus i2 minus 12 I3, right? Right? Okay, now how can we do further? As you already know, the I1 value is how much? 0.8 ampere. I1 is 0.8 ampere because they have given us the direction of current 0.8 and we assume I1, both the direction is also same. So can we substitute I1 everywhere as 0.8? Yes or no? Now tell me, how many equations do we have? 1, 2, and 3 equation, right? Now how many variables we have? I2 is one of the variable, I3 is one of the variable, and R is one of the variable. Now we'll have three variable and three equation. Can we solve all these three variables? Then we'll get the value of R. Okay?